Okay guys, now we're getting this. Just hold on just a moment.
Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay guys, we're gonna set up Windows 10 and probably Cortana.
Your region is set to United States. Is that right?
Yes. Nice voice.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Okay guys, so then new setup's now voice activated. Remember last time I ever did this it wasn't, but it's pretty much how to set up Windows 10.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you have to accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Do you accept?
Yes. Let's see. Click accept. Cortana ain't a requirement, but she can be somewhat helpful. I'll probably make a little bit
Now
of video.
let's get you connected to a network. Alright, you're connected. Now, we'll check for any updates.
Well, let's see if Cortana's going to update. Or Windows 10. The last time I've ever done this, Cortana was not the one that's during the setup. Well, I guess other than the time I did it in school. I'm talking about on this computer itself. In the future, I'll make a video about personal assistants and how they can be helpful and some of the privacy risks you take.
Found some. Hang tight while we get them installed.
Okay, we'll install these updates and we'll be right back. Do not turn off during updates.
Please? We're going as fast as we can. Promise.
Well, guys, we're almost done with the updating. At least for now. I try to check in on things.
Don't turn off your device, please. It'll mess things up.
As I was going to say, I try not to record too much of this on here. You know why. Because we don't want to be recording waiting for hours, but...
Leave your device on, please. We're going as fast as we can. Promise.
Well, the thing is, I'm okay waiting for this. I was actually working on my last video, which that took like
Still
5
updating.
hours. Anyway, this is going to be like in a way of a continuation, in a way not, because I just got finished that part. It's like a second ago. Now we're continuing on, but I'm just showing you how to set up Windows 10 in general. So you can look at the last video if you want about how to factory reset your computer. It'll show you step by step. It's like a complete walkthrough. I know this video is gonna be pretty long.
Don't turn off your device, please. It'll mess things up.
Yep, it will mess things up. But anyway.
Done and done.
Oh.
You're up to date.
Okay. Nice.
You're up to date.
And we still have our cursor, which, aka trackpad and mouse. But this is the computer I've actually been using for a while for a lot of demonstrations, but it's gotten, well, I explained in the last video, but it's been a pain. But, yeah. Hey, it's pretty late at night.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
We'll be back then. Well, I'm going to be working up an online account here, so you might have to look up another video later on when it comes to doing offline accounts, or you want to do an online account, because I don't want to put my information out there. If you guys want to create a pin, you can if you want.
OneDrive?
No.
Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes. You say no if you want to.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready.
Okay guys, here's pretty much what you're pretty much giving your information and giving these people permission to pretty much take over everything. You can probably watch it during the nights. I don't know, but they probably do. Okay guys,
Okay, that's the last step.
you had to agree to some stuff, by the way. With
We
that,
need to get a few more things polished up for you, and
Okay.
Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
if you get that like McPhee virus protection on there, I personally would just say you know, do that in Cortana usually, but yeah, for I guess we're just doing this for this demonstration here, so we can get like more of a different view of what a regular setup would look like. We are basically doing Windows 10 here, so. It's still loading. We'll be back in just a moment. Okay guys, we're still waiting. Maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. Not too bad. You'll be staying stuff like this for a while. So, just don't turn off your computer no matter how impatient you're getting with it.